Check your boots. Bring down easy, watch people up. Right, clear area. He's almost perfect on the upper edge, but the lower curve still needs adjustment.
The new profile matches the reference exactly.
Yes, the T-line is correct. Keep it there, you're starting to grab.
How much more do you do?
Just 2 millimeters, 6 square. Check the line of the honeycomb now before you apply the clamps. It looks center. We can start the process on the now. We have to start doing the same right now. All right, what's the least $5? Hold on, team. Let's start building on site 4. Ensure the line is perfect before you begin. Bring up another inch. Aligning the holes now. Let's flush. Ready for the gun. All right, bring it down slowly now. We're going to get on here. Lock it in place. Hold it steady right there. Pin engaged. Okay, move to the torch sequence. Going in a cross pattern now. Easy now. Hold it that side. Bring it down slowly. Looks good. Stop. We got alignment. Confirm. Okay, bring it left slightly. That's the line. Get the clamp in. Hold it steady right there. Okay, I've got the cycle pins ready. Check the lead edge at station 42.
42 reading 3 meters, 200 millimeters.
Side, bring it slowly. Copy that. Watch the now. Lower gently. Watch the line points.
44 volts now.
Pressure gently. Hold steady. Check the line on the left side. Looks good to me. Secure the center bolts now. Power sequence complete. Pretty good. Confirm. All parameters nominal on screen 2. Faster secure on the light now. Look at that. Testing sequence initiated. Switch 1. Confirm. We got all the cycle panel secure. Power disconnected.
Okay, testing fast now. Smooth solid, lock meters.
Okay, system check complete. Looks
Looks solid. I'll bring my end.
Align the base now. What's the clear. Move back. Here, look at the side. Yep. 100 kilos wide. It's solid. Okay, easy now. Slow it down. Traction gauge. Lock it now. It's solid. Push it further to the left. Be against the wall. All right, roll moving forward. Bring the next section on the right. Okay, let's back out. 3, 2, 1. Got it. Quick, right. Smooth. Parts connected. Lock. Power on the panel now. Green light confirmed. Airflow steady. Let's shift the ladder. Audio free secure. Water line connected on the meter. Okay, check the left hand door. Yeah, okay, it's finally complete. The seating installation looks excellent. And the cargo holding device is smooth. Maintain it slowly. Watch the clearance. Clear on the left. Do everything. Steady, steady. Look to the left. Steady. Now lower slowly. Alignment confirmed. Push forward and through. All right, 3, 1, 2, 3. I got it. Pins engaged. Latch is locked. Okay, no noise. Keep steady.
Inspection complete. Acoustic liner secure. Right valve cover.
Close it. Check the panels. Panels clear. Good up here. All right, navigation lights now.
Watch the light solid.
Red light confirmed on both ends. Installation complete. Okay, turn it on now. Whoa. That's slowly. It's seated. Moving to inflation now. Align the turning arms now.
They are aligned in here. Driving the pin.
Pin seated. Clear the area and prepare for retraction test. And we have downlock indication. Free green. Confirmed. Looks good. Pressure stable. Cycling the elevators now.
Pull down travel confirmed. No leaks.
Altimeter and airspeed indicators responding correctly to the simulated inputs. Vertical speed confirmed nominal. Unit 45B inserted and secure.
Okay, applying power. Check the cockpit display.
NFT shows pass. Good install. Make sure you don't burn the edge of the decal. Got it. Are you ready to wipe the upper section? We are aligned on the mark. Confirm the cockpit being adjusted. All right, easy. Pull the knees down. The landing gear looks good. Pressure readings are all nominal. Okay, that's fine.